In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the network adapters is not showing in device manager. You are not able to see the network adapters, neither you are not able to locate it or it's completely missing. If that is the case, how we can fix this? So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search, type here for device manager, and what you need to do is you have to click on this. Now from here you have to expand the device manager and first of all navigate to the network adapters here. Now what you need to do is if you're still not able to, most probably have to see it, but if not, you have to click on the view. Now from here click on show hidden devices, and as you can see this will be make all kind of things visible here. So if anything is accidentally hidden, those kind of things will be visible here, so you have to check in that way. If that is not the case, we have to go over here, right click on the network adapters, go for scan for hardware changes, and you have to check. Still it is missing. Then what you need to do is we have to go over here, click close this, go over here in the search, type here for settings, click on the settings here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to navigate to the network and internet. From here we have to click on advanced network settings. From here, go to the network reset, and there is an option called reset now. So what happens is your system will be automatically restarted off when you do this, and make sure that you should be knowing the password of your Wi-Fi. Try connecting back and you have to check. Next one, we have to go to the system. From here, we have to scroll it on all the way down and navigate to the recovery. There is an option called reset this PC. Click on this. So now what happens is you have two options to reset the PC. Either you can keep all the files that your personal files, but it will be removing all the apps and settings like it over here. Or you can remove everything like including your personal files, data and all those things. So what I'm saying is you can go for this one and make sure there are two different ways to install the Windows. So that you can go for the cloud download or locally reinstall it. For cloud download, you should be having at least 4 GB of data. We can go for cloud download here and just go for the next. After reinstalling back the Windows, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what we have to do. That's it. Bye.